In this video, I will tell you how I made $100,000, like 56 million naira, flipping NFTs just in December. For you to find out, you have to watch at the end of this video. But that being said, my name is Feji. I'm the side hustle guy, and welcome to my channel. So I know you came here to learn how to flip NFTs. So I'm going to teach you right now. But you have to wait a bit, If you are too impatient like this, you will not make money. You understand? You have to be patient and learn first so that you can earn well. It's not the one that you will now go in looking for $2 and you now come outside losing the $2 you actually put inside the game. You understand? You have to learn what you're doing first. So what are NFTs? NFTs are non-fungible tokens. It's simply digital ownership of anything. It comes from music to virtual land to artworks to real estate, both in the virtual world and in the real world, as well as so many other things that we have not even started to imagine right now. Understand? Because right now we're still early in the NFT space. We're literally like in the 1999s of the .com bubble, and we're like the 2009 of Bitcoin, when literally nobody knew about it. Understand? So this is why it's a crazy opportunity that we all can actually learn from and earn massively from if you know how to do it right. So in this NFT space, at the moment, the category of NFTs that have the most hype, which will give you the highest amount of profits, highest margin of profit, is in the art community. Like the BAYC, that's the Bored Ape Yacht Club, has a minimum floor price of $150,000. A 12-year-old bought this NFT at $800 in August. Yeah, bruh, he made over $300,000 from that sale. And it's not just the only one doing it. Celebrities are going into it. Sportsmen are going into it. So why don't you try and go into an NFT, man? Honestly, why you not want? Why you don't want to make money? Why? Yeah. It's finally time for me to give you the guidelines on how to get this money, get this bread from this NFT line. First step, we're looking for a project. Don't just go around OpenSea looking for any random project. You actually need to look for a project that has a real world use case, like how Decentraland is coming out with a game, and the way Sandbox is coming out with a game in the future, and how Axie Infinity has a game already and has virtual lands that are sold as NFTs. That's why the price goes up. It's not just every NFT. If you go and take like a normal picture of a JPEG, it will probably not sell because why? There is no use case for that. You understand? People don't just buy shit for buying sake. They buy it because there's a use case for it. There's a way they can make money out of it. You understand? There's a plan from the people that made this NFT. So you actually first step. I think I don't rush. Let me tell you how to find these NFTs first. Good. The way to find an NFT on OpenSea. OpenSea is a website. It also has an app. It shows you different categories of NFTs, different categories of these artworks. There you can find one that has a good roadmap, a real world use case there. And then after you find this NFT, you don't just go and buy it immediately. No. You have to fund your MetaMask wallet. A MetaMask wallet is the wallet that allows you, it's one of those wallets that allows you to buy the NFT. You understand? You have to fund the MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, as OpenSea and most NFTs use Ethereum as their payment method. Once you have funded your MetaMask wallet now, you go to rarity.tools to confirm the rarity score of that NFT you are buying. You understand? Let's say this NFT, the NFT comes out, there are usually like 10,000 pieces, 10,000 images in that collection of an NFT, of that NFT project you are buying. You go to rarity.tools, confirm the rarity score of that exact one to make sure that what you are buying is in the top 200, meaning the rarity score is between 1 and 200, because the one between 1 and 200 have the highest possibility of selling at a higher price. You understand? Because the more rare that NFT is, the better for you. You understand? And how do you find out the rarity score apart from using rarity.tools? You check for hidden personalities. Each of these NFTs have hidden personalities and hidden characteristics that make it more expensive, that make it more rare, that make it rare. So you check and find out those rare characteristics that this NFT has. Confirm that it is worth the price you are buying it, and it is undervalued. You don't just go and buy an NFT because it is cheap. You buy it because it is undervalued. Let's say you see that the game coming out and whatever is coming out from this in the future has the probability to be worth thousands of dollars, and this NFT is already selling for 5K. It might be a good deal for someone else, but it's not a good deal for you because you're trying to flip from like 200 to like 5 million. I'm not looking for 5K to $7,000. That's borrowing money now. Come on, that's stock market people's money. You can have some stock market videos in the bio. You understand? We have some stock market videos there to teach you how to do stock marketing too. But in the NFT land, we're looking for 1,000% return. We go for undervalued NFTs in this in the Rarity.tools. You confirm them, check their price, make sure it's undervalued, and then you make a bid for it. You try and look for ones that the owners don't even know the value of the NFT, so they are really very low. Make a bid for it and make sure you buy it, and then you hold. Don't just buy and then immediately sell. No, remember what I said again. Real world use case has not come to life yet. You have to wait for that to happen. You hold for a certain amount of time. Sometimes it's 2 weeks, sometimes it's 2 months, never 2 years, because the market is in the bubble right now. If you hold an NFT for 2 years, now you can't know, you go lose the money and everything will go down to zero last. So you hold, and once the hype, the popularity, the publicity on behind that NFT is at its peak, just before this launch, you sell for profits. But like I said, first step, you have to make sure this NFT you are buying has a real world use case. How you get the real world use case? First of all, you go to the roadmap, you check the profile of the NFT, you understand? Either on Instagram, you check, forget their website. On the website, click down to where the roadmap is. So you see the plans the creators of these NFTs have. Not all NFTs creators have any plan for it. Sometimes they just want to do it for the fun of it and everything. You have to look for the one that has a plan for their NFTs. Maybe they have like a real world game coming out, or maybe there is an event happening in the real world that these NFTs are actually driving curiosity for. You know why? Because when this game is about to come out, when the hype about it is at its peak, that is when you sell. Because the game can turn out to be a dud, or it can be good, but nobody knows until it comes out. So before it comes out, the prices are usually very high, so you can actually sell at that point. You understand? Good. So now you know how to flip an NFT. It's time for you to find out important terminologies that will just make this flipping, this whole process, a lot easier for you, a lot more accessible, something that will not waste your time too much. Here you get. So one of the things you want to know about this NFT, one of the terminologies is about what a minting is. A mint is buying an NFT collection directly from the creators. You buy it directly from the creators. While you're buying from these creators, there's something called gas fees. Gas fees are crazy high. It's like the transaction fee that facilitates your transaction, facilitates buying this NFT. So that's what gas fees are. Unfortunately, with the Ethereum network, the gas fees are higher. You can get cheaper NFTs with much lower gas fees. Those are usually in the Polygon network and the Solana network. The problem with doing that is that they don't have as much hype, so your profit margin is a lot lower than when you get to the Ethereum network. So sometimes you're buying something worth millions and the gas fees are tens of thousands, even hundreds of thousands. You have to spend more money to make this real money, this like here to get. But the gas fees are usually in the range of between $200 to $500, depending on what you are buying. If you're buying an NFT in the range of, let's say, 500 to like 800 to like 1K, just expect a gas fee of around 200 to 500. But if you're buying something of a couple $1,000s, expect your gas fee to be up to 1,000. Okay, not hundreds, tens of thousands. So apart from that, there's this thing called pre-mints. Pre-mints or pre-sales are an opportunity whereby early adopters or people that actually put in effort in the project get to buy these NFT collections for cheaper than the public sale price, cheaper than the future floor price. You understand? Again, what's a pre-mint? Pre-mint is an opportunity whereby early adopters and people that actually did some marketing, did some promotions, word of mouth and shit, get to buy these NFTs for cheaper prices than the actual normal floor price, that's mint price. Floor price is the mint price, is the amount whereby is the minimum amount you can buy your NFT for in the market. That's what the floor price is. You understand? You don't get the highest quality NFTs when you're buying at floor price. You get like the medium to like low quality, but at least you can see NFT now. So now you have learned how to flip an NFT. I don't advise you, this is not financial advice. Don't go and just start flipping yourself. Go and do more research so you know exactly what you're buying into. You understand? Because like I said, not all projects are made the same, and different projects come with different use case, different hype. You understand? In our next video, we'll be teaching how to create an NFT. You understand? Because it's different from just buying and selling. You're just flipping out. Creating an NFT is a bit different, but that's where the real money is. You can be making like 50K, 100K, 200K, flipping an NFT. But when you are buying, when you are creating your NFT yourself, man, are making millions of dollars. You understand? I have a friend that makes over $3.5 million, not naira, $1 million. Calculate them for naira. You can understand what I talk. Flip, because he created his own NFT project. You understand? So with this, if you have any questions, anything, in case you want to even create your own NFT or anything, just send a DM, comment, like, share, subscribe. Comment, because if this is your comment, maybe we can discuss, maybe we can get in contact to create something of our own. Maybe you can even tell me about different NFT deals happening and different flips that we can actually collab on and make more money out of it. Understand? Because at the end of the day, we're all here to make money. So please, like, bikonu, share, subscribe. You understand? Don't be stingy with the like. Don't be stingy with the subscription. Click on it, to help all of us so we can grow and make more money. Thank you very much. It's a side hustle guy, Feji, and I'm out. Peace.